You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Hi everyone, it's Alysa. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this bronzy makeup look. I think it's perfect for every type of skin tone and it's going to look great on everyone. It's perfect for any type of occasion. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up if you guys do. And let's get on to the tutorial. I hope I don't look naked. I'm like trying to pull this up so I don't look naked. So I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I've been getting a lot more subs and views in my videos, which I'm super happy about because I love filming YouTube videos and I'm definitely trying super hard on trying to film more and getting more content out for you guys. But I'm like the type of person to like film a lot of different type of videos and like you know, there's some people who just film makeup tutorials and some people who just film like fashion. I'm like the type to kind of put all in one. Like I like to do multiple different things, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. But I hope you guys like that. I like to keep everything interesting as well. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation and I'm gonna use a smudge brush to kind of clean up the brows, to kind of define them more. My brows like look so much more clean when I do this step. So I'm gonna just kind of switch up my routine. Usually I like do my eyes first, but I'm in the mood with doing my foundation and everything and trying new products or different products I haven't used in a while because I've been literally sticking to the same routine and I'm kind of getting tired of it. So for primer, I'm gonna be taking the Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm. This, like when this first came out, everybody was all over this. Like everybody wanted it, everybody was trying to get it because it's supposed to adhere more, and I'm kind of feeling using this to kind of see how it works again, to see if it actually works. But I'm just applying that all over the face to smell like a man. Yeah, so applying this, it has glycerin in it, so it's supposed to adhere to the face. When you put on foundation, it's supposed to make your makeup last longer. I'm gonna be using the Sephora Infusion Foundation. I don't know if they still have this. I like it just because it is super light. And then I'm gonna apply just a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth. You can see that it's super, whoa! It gives you such a dewy like finish, just the foundation itself. And then taking my Laura Mercier setting powder and a fluffy brush, I'm gonna just kind of tap and roll to set the face. Okay, so for today's look, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 350 palette. I am living for all these colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love the warm shades that it has. This palette, literally, you can do any look. So I'm gonna take this shade up top here and I'm gonna apply this all over my crease. And then you can build onto it. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take this camel color right over here and popping that on the crease and below it. So I'm not gonna bring it up. I'm just gonna pop it in there and then bring it down. So I'm just kind of packing that on with a fluffy brush. Next I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to take this really pretty gold color. It's more of like a brown gold color and I'm popping that right on the center of the lid. Yes, serving me looks, literally. And then taking a little bit more of that camel color, I'm going to use it to kind of brush out some of the edges. So this is the eyeshadow so far. I apologize already if you guys can't see. It is so hard for me to do eyeliner like super close to the camera because I kind of have to like crouch down to the mirror. Oh, that's so funny. So the look I'm doing is kind of like a bronzy look, and the lashes I'm using is the Bronze Beauty by Eyelure in collaboration with Vegas May. These lashes are super full, and I love the look it gives when you apply them on. It just looks like super glamorous. Like my eyes look popping. I'm going to be taking just a black kohl liner, and I'm just kind of lining my lower eyelids. I definitely wanted to do this step just because we're super heavy with the lashes, that it kind of just balance out itself. Eyelids with a little bit more of kind of an orangey tone to kind of warm up the eyes. And just take any kind of like brow bone highlight. I'm using this light color right here. I'm just popping that up top. So this is the eyes. Literally obsessed. I love the way it turned out. I'll be taking the Sephora Snow Glow palette and taking the bronze shade. This has a little bit of glitter, and I'm putting that on my cheeks, my cheekbones. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the blush shade in the palette. I'll be taking the shade Champagne Pop and popping that on my cheekbones. I love this. It's such a pretty shade. For a highlight, it gives it such a nice like gold, but it's also like has kind of like pink tones in it, so it looks super good on a bunch of skin tones. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit on my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna take my Ride or Die lip color shade, and this is the one from Anastasia called Ashton. I'm gonna apply a little bit of Dolce by Kylie Cosmetics to the center. Ooh, I love this lip combo. It kind of neutralizes it more because Ashton does have very warm tones in it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!